morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Children, in the last class you have studied about first 4 types of adjectives. Okay? Now in this class, children, you will study about the next 4 types of adjectives. Okay? So we can say our 5th type is interrogative adjective. Children, I have told you about interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are those sentences which used to ask questions, right? Similarly, interrogative adjectives are same. They ask questions. Okay? So we can say that the words like what, whose, who, these are all what? Interrogative adjectives. Okay? Why? Because they ask questions. Fine? So it is very easy to identify interrogative adjective in a sentence. I will give you an example of a sentence. Okay? You will understand how easy it is. We take an example of from what only, children. For example, what is your name? Right? So now this time it is very easy to identify that this what is what? Interrogative adjective. Okay? So interrogative adjectives, they always ask questions. Fine? Our next type is, children, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Okay. Next type is possessive adjectives. Now, what are possessive adjectives, children? So, possessive adjectives are those, children, in which shows the possession or belonging. Okay. Possessive adjectives shows possession or belonging. Okay, the adjectives which shows possession or belonging are called possessive adjectives. Okay, so I give an example. For example, all those words like his, her, your, our. Okay, these all words are what? Possessive adjectives. Okay, these all words shows possessive adjectives. For example, I tell you, even, there and all, these all words are what? Possessive adjectives. I will give you an example. They sold their house. In this, children, this word there is possessive adjective. Why it is possessive adjective? Because it is showing the possession, that that house belongs to them and they have sold it. Okay, so that's why this is called a possessive adjectives. Fine. For example, this pen belongs to me. Okay, so this me word is what? It shows possessive adjective. Okay, children. So this is the 2 types. One is interrogative and second one is possessive. Fine. Now Now children, to explain you these two types much more better, I'm writing some examples, some sentences on the board, so that it would be clear with you that how you can identify interrogative and possessive adjective. Okay, now just have a look here children. I write some sentences. Okay, number 1, see, my pet is not well. Okay, I'm just writing the sentences first. Fine. Second, whose books are lying on the table. Okay. Third, open page 15 of your English book. Okay. Right. Which dress do you like to wear? Okay. Now these are the 4 sentences children. Fine, you can see 4 sentences here. Right. Now what is there in 4 sentences? In the first sentence, my pet is not well. Now you have to identify that either it is interrogative or it is possessive. Okay. So to identify it, it is very easy. Obviously it does not have a question mark. So this is not an interrogative sentence. This is a possessive sentence. Now which word in this is possessive? So in this, my is what? A possessive sentence. Okay, my is a possessive adjective. That's why this sentence is possessive adjective. Okay. Next is, whose books are lying on the table? Question mark. Children, obviously this is going to be a interrogative as it is asking a question and the above sentence is showing possession. So that's why above one is possessive adjective and the second one is as who is here and the question mark is here. So this is a interrogative. Next, open page 15 of your English book. Again this is a possessive as it is showing possession, your, it means your own. Okay, fine. Fourth, which dress do you like to wear? Again this is an interrogative as this is showing what? As this is asking question, the question mark. So this is an interrogative adjective. Now I suppose that it is clear to all of you that how to identify interrogative and possessive adjective. Okay. Now we come to the next one children, the 7th one. Yes children, so I hope you understood about it. Now we go to the next one, that is a 7th one children, 7th type of adjective. one is children distributive. Okay. Seventh type is distributive. Distributive adjective. Now what are distributive adjectives, children? See, you have heard about the words like each, every, neither. You all have heard about these words? Okay, you are all familiar with these words. These words are called distributive adjectives. The words which distribute, okay, which shows distribution. Fine, the words which shows distribution are called distributive adjective. If you want to write, you can write these words, or you can write the words which shows distribution. The words which shows distribution are called distributive adjective. Okay, write it down this in your rough copies, children. Write it down this. Okay, I hope you all have written, right? Now just see some examples of distributive. I'll go show you some, give you some examples so it will be clear with you. See, children, for distributive, for example, each boy must take his turn. Okay, so here this word each is what? It is distributive adjective. Fine. More example, either pen will do. Either pen will do. So here, what is there? Either is the word which shows distributive adjectives. Okay, children? So this is how distributive adjectives work. Now, children, in the above sentence, each boy must take his turn. In this, we have one more adjective. I'm just telling you this because I want to know that you are able to understand what I am teaching you or not. So in this, one more adjective is there, and that is his. Are you able to see his, children? His. This his is what? Is what? It is possessive. Okay, so this his is possessive adjective here. Okay, but we don't have to mark here. It is just for your knowledge I am telling you. Okay, here only we have to identify the distributive adjectives. Okay, children. Now we will come to the last one, children. And the last one is your proper adjective. Eighth one. Eighth one is proper adjective. Proper adjective. Yes, the last one is, children, proper adjectives. Now, to know what is proper adjective, first of all, you should know that what is proper noun. Okay, you have to know what is proper noun. And I think you all know what is proper noun is, right? Noun has one type, common noun and proper noun. Remember? So, proper noun is a proper name of a place, animal or thing. That is proper noun. Okay. For example, your name is Ankit. So that is a proper noun. And boy is a common noun. I hope you know this difference, children. Right? So this proper adjective is equivalent to proper noun. Okay? Okay, to see here. We can say that proper adjectives, if you want to write a proper definition, so you can say that proper adjectives are formed of proper noun. Okay, how? For example, French toys. So here children, this word French is what? Proper adjective. Okay. Indian tea. So here this word Indian is again what? Proper adjective. Okay. So proper adjectives are formed by proper noun. Okay. For example, I give you an example. See. Example. Japanese goods are cheaper than English goods. Okay. So here this word Japanese. Okay. And this word English is not. Then Japanese will be what? It will be a proper adjective. Okay, so this is how we are going to find this proper adjective. Children, this proper adjective is new for you. Okay, so don't worry. You will practice more sentences of this and you will learn how to form, how to identify proper adjectives. Okay, children. Now, I will give you some examples. Okay, some sentences for your homework, as a homework. Okay, so you just do that sentences and in the next class we will discuss them. Okay, children? Just I'm writing the sentences, children. You also write it down in your rough copy. This is of all the 8 adjectives. Okay? This is of all the 8 adjectives. Right? He made several mistakes. Okay. Second, what kind of a man is he? Okay. Third, a bad workman blames his tool. Blames his Okay. Fifth one in the last. Such men are dangerous. Okay, beta? Okay, children? Now this is your sentences. I'll read it for you. He made several mistakes. Now in these sentences, you have to identify the adjectives. Okay? Which kind of adjective is used? Find what kind of man is he? Third one, a bad workman blames his tools. Fourth, every man has his duties. And fifth, such men are dangerous. Okay? These are the 5 sentences. Do it in your rough copy. Practice as many times as you can. Okay? You can also refer some other grammar books and you can practice it at home. Okay, children? Right? Take care, everyone. Be safe and please stay at home. Okay? Thank you, children.